Good afternoon, and thank you for being here today as we begin our second part of our English exam prep. So, the paper 2 is out of the way. Congratulations, but that means that now we're getting ready for our multiple choice paper. The multiple choice paper, as you should know by now, because hopefully you're doing so many papers and just practicing all the time, you should know that the multiple choice paper is 60 questions to be done in 60 questions to be done in 90 minutes or an hour and a half. Although most of my students do tell me that they'll actually finish before that 90 minutes is up, which could be a good thing. What's next? The breakdown of that paper. So you know the breakdown of the paper is going to be a lot of vocab, synonyms. The tougher parts of the paper tend to be the equivalent sentences. I find that students struggle a lot with the equivalent sentences. Equivalent sentences are the ones that they give you a sentence, but then they rewrite that sentence 4 different ways, and you have to choose the one that is closest in meaning to the sentence they give you. And I find that that area brings students down a lot. In addition to that, we're going to find that the 60 questions, there are going to be 5 comprehensions in there. 5 comprehensions can feel a bit overwhelming, especially if comprehension isn't a love of yours. Most of you will be doing English literature, and it would be a great idea to bring over your English literature knowledge to English language, simply because one of those comprehensions is going to be a poem. And so you need to bring over that English literature knowledge of how to break down a poem into themes, techniques, mood, and all of those things. And you have to treat it almost like how you would treat an English literature comprehension, especially with the poetry. Apart from that, there will be prose. So prose would be a short story of some sort. There will be, sometimes it would be a graphic, meaning they give you a picture of some sort and they ask questions about it, like an ad, some type of ad that will be in there. And yeah, that usually will wrap it up for the comprehensions. So as we go forward, I will be focusing on the equivalent sentences a lot, but heavy on the comprehension, since as I said, there are 5 comprehensions in the passage, in the exam, So without further ado, let's get ready to do some practice.